Hey, what's up guys? This is Will here from Made Motorsports. Today we have an M8 Competition that's in the shop. This just got a full FI exhaust makeover. This is a dual exhaust all the way back. It is a Valvetronic system on our favorite exhaust brand. Basically what we are going to show you is this is the controller for this type of system. Basically the factory valves don't necessarily operate in a full open or closed type of procedure. It kind of like lives in the middle. So with this FI Pro controller, it actually fully opens or closes the valves, actually maximizing the sound benefits of the valve system. So we're going to show you some examples of how it sounds with just the factory valves paired to the FI Pro controller. So basically this is your external type of controller. You can open or close the valves there. You can also actually connect this to your phone and set your Valvetronic system to react based on engine speed, RPM, boost level, different types of parameters to where they automatically open. It's a pretty cool function. You can also just do a simple open and close on your phone. Basically have the option for the external controller or the phone app for full customization.